Hi guys, and today we are going to not draw, we are going to build. Like, if you guys didn't see this video where I was just making a video, you guys didn't see how it ended, but these are the chairs. If you guys did watch the video where I was making chairs and tables, that's nice, because today you guys are going to learn how to make these. Now, first I want to start with tables. I'm going to start with this one and these two, because these two are harder. We'll do it, maybe we might do a part 2 where we try and do that. So I'll just put these all at the side, and I'll put this at the side. Now, first all we need is one of these, or like these come out of top of bottles. So I'm gonna use this one. Like this one looks better, but I like using this one. It looks cleaner, and it's just for test. So for table, it's gonna be easy. We are just going to cut this, not with the scissors, with this. So we are going to just cut. Okay. Now you guys can just pull it out of the hole like this, or you guys just keep on cutting like this on each side. I'm going to cut it on each side because that makes the job faster. Okay, now these pieces are just gone out. It doesn't matter because we can just put it back in. Now you might see the bottom of these are cut, but not on this. It's better if it's cut because when you put it like on the side, it just slides off. But when you do, it just sticks on because it's sharp. Let's stick on. So I'm going to do this. You guys don't need to, but this is what I like. So I'm just going to cut it. It doesn't matter what height you guys cut it because right now I'm just cutting them any height I want, because after we are going to make it look a bit more better. It's a bit easy for me to cut these out. These chairs and tables are pretty nice things. I'm doing it this fast because the chair is gonna take probably a bit long. Yeah. Now this is a table. I can put this on the side. So we now have like a table collection. But now let's get into chairs. In the chairs we'll need 2. So I'm going to use these 2. So what you guys will need to do, we have to cut the bottoms like we've done on the other one. And probably I'm going to do the same thing that we cut these pieces off. They're quite little. I'm sorry, you guys might not be able to see them. But first, we're going to just keep on doing things which we normally just said. Okay, I'm just gonna do it again. Keep on. So this is the tables are the easy pieces. The chairs, I say they're probably a bit hard. Like the other chair, or not this chair, the one which has been stuck like this. It's probably harder than this one. But the other one seems a bit hard too, like this one. But I say it's easy because it's probably gonna seem easy. For me, I've done it. Okay, now one piece out. We can do a part 2 or part 3 where we just do this table and the other chair and try and find more types of ways. And we can do, we've done this before. But I might show you how it slides off when you do these like curved like this. Just clean my table. So I think I'm just gonna take it off now. So all you're going to do is now put it like this. Now it's gonna be like the table, but after it's going to change into a chair. So I'm just gonna put that there. I know which one to cut. I think I'm gonna cut this one. It's easy to find where you're going to cut, because when you put these in the metal pieces, it's probably gonna stop there because it can't go through. So it's easy to do that. Done. That. Now we're just going to keep on cutting. Let's keep on cutting. Okay, now it's done. Like more, I think. For the tables, you saw we didn't really do it like this, and this one straight. But it's just for the chair to stand, so you guys can see the same thing on this. Now, this time, we're going to do the same thing, but you don't need to cut these pieces because it's going to be at the air. It's not going to cut to the floor. So let's keep on cutting this piece. Like I told you, you guys don't need to just cut it on every side, but it's easier and it's faster because when you're trying to turn, some pieces are wiggly at the circles. That's why this is probably easier. This channel's called The Character Drawing, so it's an easy way. So we've done that piece too. Now this is the hard part. Now it hasn't really been to the real hard part. So first we are going to pull these back. It's not that hard. Now we are going to make an X like this. This at the back. Now this is the part where I say it's probably going to be hard. So that's why I am going to use this to turn them. So that's why this video might just take a bit too long, but I just don't mind. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold it with the other side this time, so it does not break. Now all I'm going to do is just try and turn it. So I've done it, I've cut it that part. So I'm going to show you guys now how to do. You guys can use anything. It's best to use hand. You guys can use scissors. You guys can use one of this, but it's best to use hand. So you guys see these straight pieces which go down. I've been turning these pieces like this. It doesn't matter if it just goes wiggly. I'm just gonna fix that piece. So you guys can see I've been just turning and turning. It isn't that long to do, but you guys just keep on. You guys just curve them all around here. So I'm just trying to make the right piece for the legs to stand in. Now if the legs just move, it does not matter. Now I think it's done. Let me show you how to do it again. You guys can use any of these. So yes, but it's best to use font if you guys are going to use this, or if you guys are going to use the scissors. Find a piece where hold it a bit not so hard, but I think best is with hand. But if you guys don't want to waste your energy, you guys can use scissors. It's a bit hard, I did not realize, but I think it does better than hand. But hands, you can use your hands easier. There we go. Now today this is how to build a chair and table, and like we can do a part 2 where I'm going to build this table and going to build, maybe I'll just build this table because, or I might just think of another way of building a chair. But thank you for watching and bye guys.